Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to buy USDT with UPI in India. Firstly, go to the buy crypto section on the UPI or the UPI. Open your exchange and enter the amount of INR or USDT you want to buy. Select bank transfer as your payment method. The system will redirect you to the UPI. Check the order amount and exchange rate before proceeding. A 1.9% payment gateway fee will be charged for bank transfers. The price will remain locked for 90 seconds. If using UPI for the first time, you need to create an account and log in. Copy the bank account details provided and use your online banking to transfer INR to the given account. Once the payment is complete, the USDT will be credited to your HTX account within 16 minutes. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.